In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Now click on Screen Lock over here and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, click on the best one, choose Got it in the pop-up after 5 seconds, and enter your screen lock. Following that, you need to repeat it and select Confirm at the bottom right corner. Now wait a bit and tap on Add or Cancel in this Add Fingerprint pop-up. Then, when I click Home button, turn off my screen and now turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!